that you have called for a press meet today. On what issue have you called the press meet?
I have called the press meet today to tell the people for what the APHLC have been fighting for. We are fighting for achievement of autonomous state under Article 244A jointly with the Mahasau or separately. The Mahasau themselves can have an autonomous state and Karbi Anglong also can have another autonomous state as per the law. For that we are fighting. And during this delimitation process, we have submitted a memorandum to the Delimitation Commission requesting them to create another parliamentary constituency for the Mahasau and more than 3 legislative assembly constituencies for the Mahasau. Total we demanded 15 or 16 LA constituencies including Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong. But the government, the election commission has not, delimitation commission has not granted to us, except Amri constituency has been created for us. But that is also the creation, the boundary is very much defective. It is only giving opportunity for non-tribal people to win election in Rongkang. That's what they have done. And they have also delimited the boundaries for Hauraghat also and for Bukajan for the benefit of non-tribal people. So we are fighting against it. If we win the election, we will fight for it, and we will fight for more constituencies in the Mahasau and separate parliamentary constituency for the Mahasau. Another point, we have been fighting for strengthening of the 6th schedule and restoration of the power that we have already lost of the 6th schedule. According to law, according to Constitution of India under Article 243M, Ponchayat cannot be established in 6th schedule area because the autonomous councils themselves must make their own traditional panchayats by whatever name called. That means for the Mahasau, the name of the panchayat should be, for the Masa people, it should be Raji Nai Sokho. And for Kuki people, Kuki, Mar, Thado, etc., for them it should be Tulsung Waisa. And for Khasi it should be Dorbar Snow. And for Karbi it should be Servan Kep. These are our panchayats. It has been permitted by Article 243D of the Constitution of India. And panchayat of the plain area cannot be established. It is written in the Constitution and also in the Assam Panchayati Raj Act, Clause 1, Section 1. It is written there. So now the government themselves has violated the Constitution and the 6th schedule and Panchayat law. Now we are fighting in this election for restoration of the full power to the 6th schedule and for cancellation of the order for establishment of the non-tribal panchayats in 6th schedule area. Panchayat is a committee that I need not go to so far, I think, but it is a committee of 5 members. But we have got committees of 10 members in Karbi Anglong. among the Karbi people. And other Rajine Soko, Tulsong Vaisa, and then Dorbar Snow, and then Aking Nokma, Songko, Songko, what is that? Garo people, Aking Nokma, Nokma, etc. they have got. These are their ponchats. So we are fighting for establishment of our ponchats and for preservation of our land and our race. Now, due to playing of politics, our people think that politics is only a game. It is not for preservation and progress of our land and our people. They think like this, so they play games. We don't want playing politics. We want to work politics. Our idea is now, our aim is to work politics, not playing politics. And so in working politics, we want to restore our land and our race and protect them to the full according to the Constitution and according to the 6th schedule to the Constitution of India. And for under 6th schedule, under paragraph 20, everything is for tribal people. Many people used to accuse us that non-Karbi, the word non-Karbi, this is very misleading. We are not working for Karbi alone. We are working for all tribal people, of the tribal people living here, including the Adivasi people who are also tribal people, including the Bodo people and including the Khilonjia Ohomias. They are all also our people. They are also demanding for scheduled tribe status. So we are also including, we are also taking them along with us. We are fighting for them, all of them. And in the bigger field, I am from APHLC, we are a part of this 15 United Opposition Group of Assam. We are a part of that. So we will work for the protection of the Ohomia people in Assam. And the Northeast India will fight for that. All Northeast India, Nagaland, Mizoram, Tripura, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, this APHLC will work for all the tribal people for their protection and for the protection of their land. And then according to the 6th schedule, it is tribal area, it is a constitution, it is not a reservation law, but it is a constitution. So we will implement constitutionally. So while implementing constitutionally, we will give land only to the tribal people and government services only to the tribal people and Khilonjia, Ohomia and Adivasi people. That is what we are fighting for. Because our people do not know what is politics. They only play politics. So now the situation is that in 1951, tribal Karbi people were 88% in 1951. Now in 2021, Karbi people percentage is only 35 or 40 only now. 44 I think. 44% only now. And then tribal people is only 55% now. From 96%. Because we played politics. We did not work politics. So we want to work politics according to law. All land, everything, opportunities will be given to the tribal people and the Khilonjia, Ohomia and Adivasi people. Those for whom the 6th schedule has been established.
Sir, do you think your opposition or any other political parties that are about to contest from the Diffu MP, do they have better interest of the tribal people?
They do not have any interest for the preservation of tribal people. BJP, Congress, it is they who have spoiled the 6th schedule. It is they, because of them, we have been reduced to 44% because of them. Because of them, we have lost all government jobs. See, in 2021, they appointed teachers at a time, 1,345 teachers. Out of them, Karbi got 59, and Kuki people got only 2, and Rengma people got only 1. That is, tribal people got only 62. Whereas, according to 6th schedule, all these 1,345 should be obtained by the tribal people, Khilonjia, Ohomia, and Adivasi. But this is not so. And because of that, the salary is paid from what? It is paid from the Tribal Welfare Fund, from Ministry of Tribal Welfare. It is sent from there. Now, out of that, if we say one teacher's salary is 40,000 per month, then the tribal people get per month 24,80,000 per month for the 62 teachers. Non-tribal people, 1,283 non-tribal people, they get 5,20,000 per month out of Tribal Welfare Fund. See, and how will we progress? As because of this, Karbi people, out of 100 houses, 90%, 90 houses are mud plus dirt house. Mud plus dirt houses. Even now, the children sleep on damp floor, earthen floor. If you go to their kitchen, you will not find even one piece of rice in their kitchen. This is the position. They sleep on the floor. The children also. The wall, this mud plus dirt were all broken. This is the condition in Karbi Anglong among the tribal people. And there is no road leading to Kuki area. No road at all. No road at all. Even a motorcycle cannot go. The Kuki area and Singhason Kardi area and Borpung Tarapung area and Jinam Valley in Dimhasao, Jinam Valley. To go to Jinam Valley, it is only, the distance is only 32 kilometers. It requires 8 hours to travel. What is that? That means there is no road at all. 73 years have passed. They have not constructed even a road in Jinam Valley. And there are several places like that in Dimhasao. We have got nothing to drink. There is no water. There is no ring well. The ring well under this ministry, the present ministry, they took up a ring well construction. There is no water. All incomplete ring wells. All incomplete dwelling houses. How is this? So we are fighting against this. Schedule has been given to us to raise us to the level of the general people. Now, here in Karbi Anglong itself, the level of general people is as high as this, and the 6th schedule people is still down below there, even in 6th schedule area. To tell you the truth, it is like Karbi, even his lengthy is also snapping, helping the pilot flying a rocket, that kind of thing.
So the present government under the leadership of Narendra Modi, it is said that Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, they have a very common slogan since they came into power. Do you think that particular slogan has been properly implemented in the Three Hills district?
In not only in Hill district, I think it is not implemented in the whole of northeastern India.
So do you think during this 10 years, during tenure of 10 years, the Karbi Anglong district and the Mahasao, have they developed?
As I have told you, their development has reduced. They have got no money at all in their hand. Their houses are broken down. They have got no teacher in the school. The schools are closed in the villages. They have got no place to read, and the parents cannot afford to send the children to good schools, so they send them to plain area in Nagaon district, Morigaon district, Kamrup district, Silchar, and Golaghat district, Sibsagar, everywhere they sent Hojai district to work there as slaves. As you know, Sunila Ronghangpi was also sent there to Roha in one house of Borthakur, and she was burned to death. It is because there is no school in Karbi Anglong. There is no proper school. There is no teacher, and the parents do not have the capacity to purchase books for the children. They have got no capacity to feed the children, so they send them to non-tribal villages, non-tribal people in the plain district to work as slaves. And then they are killed. Many of them are killed. Many of them are converted. One Bijoy Senar from Dengthavoli in Chintong, Bijoy Senar, he has been taken to Nagaon district. He is kept there. And he was converted into Bijoy Bora now. He does not know his parents. Parents are not allowed to meet him. Parents used to go. Parents are not allowed to meet him. And so he has forgotten Karbi language totally. And he does not want to come to his parents. This is the position. We have been reduced to such a stage like this.
So do you think the mass population of the Three Hills district have realized their mistake of bringing the BJP into power in the district?
So far I know, the hill people, especially Karbi people, have realized. Hill people and the hill people of Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong people have realized. And Dimahasa also they have realized recently. Because they have found now that they do not have autonomous district now. It is Ponchat now. And so no development there also. You know, if you go to Haflong, all the roads are broken. Mm.